Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very back to basics tips and tricks for you guys. So I'm just gonna tell you guys how I color correct my face, that is my dark under eyes or the darkness that I have around my lips and all that. So usually people color correct with a color corrector, but I also do it with an orange lipstick. So I just wanted to show you guys how I use both of these to color correct my face in very simple steps. So this is for beginners and let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys my bare face and how I prep my skin. So first of all, I'll use a moisturizer. I'm using this Venusia moisturizer which my dermatologist recommended me. This and this both are Venusia. So I'm using that moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer here that you want, and first thing that you have to think about is when you apply foundation, don't apply the foundation also under your eyes, and on top of that don't apply the concealer because it will be too much products. So when you apply the foundation, just apply it around your, on your face except under your eyes, so that we can keep the products under the eyes minimal, because you tend to have creases and you will have these visible lines after a while. So when I apply foundation, I'll just apply it around it, and when it comes to under eyes, I'll do the color correction first, either this or that, and then I'll go with the concealer. So this is how I do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with the foundation. So not under the eyes. I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. When you blend your foundation with your finger, it gets really blended, like it gives a very skin-like finish, as you can see. But when you do that with the brush, you will always have to go, again and again. Just fingers, I always like to blend my makeup with fingers. So yeah, so if you don't have major dark circles, it won't make a huge difference. But if you have dark circles, it is a really good thing to apply color corrector. I have the proper color corrector with me. This is orange color LA Pro Concealer color corrector. But if you don't have a color corrector, you can use an orange lipstick as well if you want to do that. You don't have to waste your money on buying a color corrector as such. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of color corrector here. Can you guys see that? Okay, I have applied color corrector here. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have applied this color corrector here, and now I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. So you have this orange color shade underneath your concealer. So that's why I told you not to use the concealer, use the foundation also under your eyes. Then it will be like too much product. Then it will make your under eye crease. So just blend it out really well. If you want, you can use it on top of your lid as well. So yeah, you can see this. I have that's me. So if you have, like, I'm gonna use this Swiss Girl. I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty concealer, which I love, and it's very affordable. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply my concealer now. Just yeah. Can you guys see that now my dark circles are literally gone? It's not even seen because you have color corrected. There is no grayish, nothing there. Okay, so I have set the concealer with a translucent powder from Sugar Cosmetics now. I'll just show you guys how you can just do it with an orange lipstick as well. So this is much more clearer. As you guys can see, this side is really finished and it has like full coverage concealer here, and this side I don't have anything. So this is how I did my color correcting on this side with a color corrector. This side I'm going to show you guys how to do the same process with an orange lipstick. So this is a very old technique that everybody is using. I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so this is an orange lipstick that I have. This is in the shade Madison Red from you know, Maybelline. So this is one lipstick that I use all the time. It's like a reddish orange shade, which is very similar to the color corrector that I used before. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. Just take a little bit from here and just dab it under your eyes. I think this works much better than the color corrector because this has a very nice matte finish. So it just really blends into your skin very easily. Take the same concealer, Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm just gonna apply it here and here. That's it. And I'll just blend it out with my fingers. See how well that works. It's because if you have any dark circles or darkness around your eyes and around your mouth, if you use a color corrector, that cancels out that darkness that you have, and it won't be showing. Like you have seen people with makeup and looks very grayish. It's because they are not color correcting or their foundation is not the right shade. So even if you have like a very thick concealer, the gray color can be seen after a while once you apply your makeup, and after a while it can be seen if you don't color correct it properly. So I'm just going to take the translucent powder and just going to fix it. Now we have the same finish here and here. So you absolutely don't need a color corrector to do this. You just have to have an orange lipstick, and this is very affordable. This one, I think, I'm not sure. I'll put the link down below. Okay, I'll just finish my face and come back. Okay guys, so that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you want to know tricks and tips like this, let me know in the comments down below. Talk to me, you guys. I love connecting with you guys. And also in my last videos, one of you guys asked me if my I got a little bit tan. It's not that. My skin tone is always dark, but this is the lighting, I guess. When I film in the morning, I have good lighting in my room, so my face looks lit. I don't know what to say. My face looks brighter when I film in the morning, but when I film at night, I have just one ring light and the normal lights in the room. So that might be the difference, but my face has always been this complexion. So, and I love it. I'm not complaining. I love my complexion. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.